Today, I'm going to help Dominique with her problem. The first step is to talk to the parents. While I talk to the parents, we'll be good, okay? Now, how shall we solve Dominique's problem?
That's fire.
Fire! How are you gonna solve the problem? Your eyes are glowing. You have glow in the dark eyes. How are you gonna solve the problem? You know her. She cuddles with you.
Don't look at me.
Fire don't like movies.
Don't look
She
at me.
don't like to be in pictures.
Yeah.
So she turn her head.
Come on. Come on. Stop being those kind of celebrities. Come on.
Why, you a celebrity? Let me see.
How are you gonna solve this?
How am I going to solve it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I have no idea. What's the problem?
She's solitaire. Well, the parents didn't help at all. Even the dog didn't. So let's go to the source. Dominique. I'm gonna scare her into physics. Okay? So, there we go. So, there we go. Dominique.
What?
Turn that off, okay? We're gonna work through this.
No.
We are. So look at your phone.
Stop.
Come on.
Mm-mm.
Please play with me.
Mm-mm. I want to watch this.
Pretty, please. We can watch it together.
Uh-uh.
Why not? Okay. Bye. She said that she didn't want me to watch the movie with her.
Why?
I don't know. She told me. The mom is coming in. I say, the mom is coming in.
No, she can't watch it with you? She can't watch the movie with you?
Yeah, but she keeps shutting it in my...
Okay, you gotta put the phone down and watch it with her.
Okay. We did it. We fixed Dominique.
We fixed it.
She's not solitaire anymore.
She ain't gonna talk no movie is on. She probably talk after.
Okay.
As long as the movie is on, she's not gonna talk.
Okay. Starring the mother. The mother was cooking.
No, the mother.
Starring the father. Starring,
Here, hold this. Get it, Fight. Get it.
starring the doggy.
Go get it, Fight.
Where are you going? I have the treat. I have the treat. You're never gonna get the treat. Starring Damo. And starring me, Meow. Okay. Go get it from the bathroom. No. Let the door open. Good girl. Now you're just mean.